Welcome back to Autoscope. Brabus, one of Mercedes-Benz's leading modification companies, will turn the GLE-Class luxury SUV into a unique, aggressive, high-performance vehicle. External, Brabus will often use a widebody kit to make the GLE appear much more aggressive and strong. A revised front bumper with larger air intakes for engine and brake cooling, as well as a prominent front spoiler lip. Widebody fender flares that significantly expand the car's body to accommodate larger wheels. Rear bumper and aggressive rear diffuser with Brabus's signature dual exhaust tips. A carbon fiber roof or rear spoiler to increase downforce. It uses conventional Brabus Monoblock wheels in large sizes, usually 23 or even 24 inches, like the Monoblock Y, F, or Z. A retuned Brabus suspension module, usually made for the basic air suspension AIRMATIC, can lower the ride height by roughly 25 mm for better handling. All Mercedes-Benz emblems on the grille, hood, and tailgate will be replaced by the Brabus B logo. Interior: the fully customized interior will offer unparalleled luxury and personalization. High-end masterpiece leather, like as Alcantara or Mastik leather, hand-stitched in a customer-selected hue with a distinctive design, such as a diamond pattern, will finish the cabin. Carbon fiber or anodized metal will be used to trim the dashboard, center console, and door panels. Custom ambient lighting options will be available, usually in Brabus blue. Brabus pedals made of aluminum. Brabus door lock pins. Floor and trunk mats bearing the Brabus emblem. The 2026 GLE will have the same state-of-the-art technology as the 2026 GLE, including the MBUX infotainment system with its two large displays, even though it will have a boot-up display with Brabus graphics. Brabus modification packages, which often start with the Mercedes-AMG version, greatly increase power. Brabus will replace or drastically modify a number of engine components, including larger turbochargers, a new exhaust system, and a special EQ remapping. Power: over 800 to 900 horsepower. With that much power, a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of less than 3.5 seconds is expected. The removal of the traditional electronic speed limit will allow for a top speed of above 300 km/h. For extreme models like the Brabus 900 Rocket, the top speed can approach 330 km/h. It will have a Brabus high-performance exhaust system, which typically offers active sound management so the driver can choose between a more subdued tone and a loud V8 or inline-six engine sound. A premium SUV that has been upgraded to a super SUV is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE Brabus.